I need 4 volunteers, and I need a volunteer. I need you to volunteer if you've had something that you experienced recently that where you found yourself getting quite angry or upset or frustrated, or something where you were kind of emotionally off balance. I need 4 volunteers. Any of you can? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Kathy, can you come up here for a second? Let's see. Can I borrow this? Okay, have a seat. Okay, now. I can't have these bowls going while I'm doing this. It's too peaceful. See, the cool thing about this class, it's fun. I'm always nervous I never know how, because I've played with all kinds of things over the years. A lot of things that you've seen, a lot of things that a lot of you have seen. And I always wonder, should I try this with the class? I don't know, because it's kind of out on a limb feeling. And every time when my evaluations come back, there's always somebody who said, that wasn't scientific enough. You didn't teach us stuff that's scientific. And you can't measure scientifically a chakra or a meridian and so I'm kind of struggling with how do I stay in the science world and still introduce us to things that might have an impact. Do you know what I mean? And so when you guys bring stuff in that's like the singing bowls, I go, oh good, somebody else did it, so I don't have to take the heat because it wasn't scientific, but it makes us feel good and does good things. Okay, now, the 4 of you, we're going to role play, sort of. I'm going to role play. You just do what you do. We're going to have a conversation. Do not take this personally, how I'm going to role play. Okay? But I want you to guys, the rest of us, while Kathy and I are talking, I want you guys to just watch the energy, watch how she responds, just kind of, but
I'm never emotionally out of balance. This was a bad night.
But I want you to don't get mad at me for how I'm going to role play. It's going to be deliberately exaggerated in a direction, okay?
Well, wait to see how bad he hurts me, then you can decide.
Well, none of these will be the same. I'm going to do each person a little bit differently, but I want you to just kind of watch everything that happens, my experience, her experience. So, what's going on? And I want us to pretend nobody else is here.
Okay.
Okay?
You want me to tell you what bothered me?
Yeah, so something happened that made you upset?
Yes.
Where you chose to be upset?
Oh, I didn't choose.
Yeah.
No, I didn't choose. It was a bam. So my father-in-law from my husband who passed away, and I hugged him and he told me don't ever do that again and never talk to him again. At a family wedding.
Really? So, you were at a wedding?
I was at a wedding.
So what happened? I mean, how did you feel about that?
I felt hurt.
Hold on. Yeah. 4 o'clock. Open the gym at 4. Balls will be in the closet. Yeah, just, yeah, they're all in there. Yeah, thanks. Kiss you. So anyway, you were, where were you again? You were at
I was at a wedding.
a wedding, was it? So whose wedding was it?
My niece.
Your niece? And what was she? She was getting married to
A guy.
Did you like the guy?
Yes, I knew
Yeah,
him just a little bit.
You did. Hold on, I'm sorry, I just have to, we got to practice. I'm the coach, and I've got to make sure we've got.
My parenting wants to come out.
The keys are in the drawer just outside the closet. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. 4 o'clock. Yeah, they'll all be there. Thanks, Casey. So, what else happened? I mean, is that you just got a little mad? You got mad, or
I got hurt, yes.
you got hurt?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How hurt?
Really hurt.
Okay. I'm sorry. I just have to get this all planned. Okay. Well, thanks for telling me about that. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Just parenting me wants to say, put the phone down.
I think you wanted to say more than that.
I did. I was good.
Okay. Who was second? Was it Ashley? Were you?